Good evening. My name is Anisha. Today I am going to talk about Metaverse. Contents 1. Introduction. 2nd. History. 3rd. How it works. 4th. Technology used. 5th. Application. 6th. Advantages. Introduction. What is Metaverse? Metaverse is shared online 3D space where users can interact with each other and with computer generated objects and avatars. It's a virtual world that uses the internet as its underlying network. Metaverse are used for various purposes including social networking, online gaming, education and training. They can be used to create virtual worlds that mirror the real world, or they can be used to create entirely new and imaginary world. The word metaverse is derived from meta plus universe is equal to metaverse. History of Metaverse. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web Network (WWW) in 1989. 1982, in 1992, science fiction writer Neil uses the term metaverse to describe the 3D virtual space. Roblox, an online platform that allow users to create and share games with others. It is introduced in 2006. 2009. Bitcoin, the world's first successful cryptocurrency and blockchain platform, is created. History of Metaverse. Metaverse may have become the only recently does but is well known. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989. Then in 1992, science sci-fi writer Neil Sebastian coined the term metaverse to describe the 3D virtual space. How it works. Meta, Metaverse is a network simulated design digital environments with its main focus on social connection. Uses persistent virtual worlds, blockchains, and augmented reality to create space for interaction online. This facilitated by mobile internet as well as augmented and virtual reality headsets. In Metaverse, have an immersive experience on there by generating a three-dimensional image that surrounds them. This experience is impossible without using virtual reality, a key component of the metaverse where users get to experience both digital and real world in the same space. Technologies used: blockchain, augmented reality, Internet of Things, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, 3D recognition. Application of metaverse. It is used in many places like places and play an important role in healthcare, education, real estate, military, manufacturing, gaming, banking, and finance. Advantages: immersive experience, better social interactions online, new business opportunity, improvements to online learning and education, improvements to gaming, upgrading social media. Thank you.